4 of the 5 people killed in Rockford shooting. 2 men shot dead in downtown Kingston. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Police have identified 4 of the 5 men who were shot and killed during a mass shooting at a football match in Pleasant Heights, Rockford in Kingston on National Heroes Day. They have been identified as Octavia Austin, 51, and his son, 29-year-old Okiro Austin, 32-year-old Odane Josephs, otherwise called Bones, and 38-year-old Rossick Thomas, otherwise called Tennille. Several other persons have been reportedly injured in the gun attack. Preliminary reports are that the persons were at a football match in the community when gunmen opened fire, hitting several people. More details to come following further investigations. 3 people were shot and killed on North Street in Kingston by gunmen. Details behind the incident are still not fully clear at this time, but early reports suggest that several people were walking along the roadway when armed criminals drove up in a car and opened fire. The shooters then drove away. The police were called to the area and 3 people were found suffering from gunshot wounds. They were rushed to hospital where 2 members from the group were pronounced dead.